The battery compartment for all time timers is located on the rear. For those compartments that have a screw, you'll need a small screwdriver in order to remove the cover. Twist the screw to the left until you feel less tension, and that will mean the screw is out far enough that you should be able to easily remove the cover. In order to replace the cover after you've inserted a battery, make sure that the feet of the cover are inserted in the proper holes and that the screw is in line with the hole that the screw goes into. Then twist the screw back to the right until the screw is snug. Don't twist it tight because that might strip the screw. And that's how you remove and replace the battery cover on the time timer.